So we're here today celebrating the fact that Gladys isn't the baby anymore. The new baby here at the Cincinnati Zoo, at least as the gorillas go, is little Mondika. The weather broke for us. It's a beautiful day. The sun came out just so we could let little Mondika out today. At 8 days, we're very happy that we're able to get Asha, Jomo, and the whole family out with little Mondika. That's a nice, comfortable time period that we felt like we got a good chance to do a good evaluation of the baby. And yeah, that's a nice turnaround. And once again, we had some nice weather to cooperate with us. Went wonderfully. Asha really showed off the baby quite well. Baby's looking great, nursing all the time, all day long. Asha's doing a wonderful job too, so we thought it was good enough and the right time to go ahead and let them out. The reason we named little Mondika that is after a place in the Republic of Congo where the Cincinnati Zoo has done wild research support for many years now. And Mondika is a really cool place because it's a place in the Republic of Congo where they actually habituate gorillas for up-close research and observation, as well as let tourists come for an inspirational opportunity to see wild gorillas in their natural habitat. So anyway, opportunities for them to inspire people, raise some important revenue dollars to help support the conservation work going on there at Mondika. So we saw fit to honor this by naming the little baby that. The big popular question is, when can I come and see them? And that's still a question that we're not going to be able to tell you a definitive time every day that they're going to be out, because we're still keeping a very close eye on them. So the best thing you can do is to subscribe to Zoo's Facebook page or the website or Twitter or one of those social media outlets where you will get updates about what's going on with little Mondika.